Struggling to make your progress reports pop? In this tutorial, we're breaking Excel limits to build a dynamic progress chart. Let's dive in. Press Ctrl plus A to select data range. Insert a 100% stacked column chart. Resize the chart. Remove title, grid lines, and legends. Format data series. Set gap width to 40%. Fill upper column with light color. Set a border line with width of 2 points. Now format actual data series column. Fill with dark color. Set a border line with width of 2 points. Remove chart background and border line. Add data label to actual data series. Give data labels a shape. Format data labels. Now insert a shape to design a background. Fill with purple color. Remove outline. Give a shadow. Send shape to back. That's it. Updates with new entries. Wows your audience. Makes you look like a data pro. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.